I'll tell you the steps of getting on to PGCTL, and that will give you a lot of clarity to everyone. And we have to finish it on time also. So I'll answer Abila's question quickly. First thing first, for everyone who's joining the PGCTL program, you will be getting an access to self-paced online modules, which you will be having on a learning management system. It has been beautifully designed so that you can keep on learning on the go. Let's say you are sitting in your staff room and correcting notebooks, and suddenly you get bored of correcting notebooks. So you take out your learning application, you take out your mobile application, you start with the lecture that you paused in, make your notes, and then give 15-20 minutes in your school, 15-20 minutes after school, and then that's how you're progressing. That's how it has been designed so easily. Second, whatever you do on the weekdays, on the weekend, you'll be attending a cohort-based live classroom. This is the real place where you meet your network, wherein you meet your future friends, you meet your future colleagues who are going to be amongst the top 1% educators in the world. The live cohort is the actual place wherein you will be meeting your colleagues, you'll be meeting your future colleagues basically. You'll be creating a network of educators from around the country, around the world. And you know what I have already told about networking in the previous slide, right? So this is what you get. Apart from that, you're engaging with the professors of international experience. All our professors come with a minimum of 3 to 4 country experience of educating classroom teachers. So you know what you're going to get as a standard on which you got to upskill yourself. And then comes skill evidence. I have talked about skill evidence in the previous slides. I talked about the portfolio creation. You get to do all of it while you are studying on the go. And of course, there will be regular assessments and you will have to perform very well. You will have to study. ChatGPT won't save you, I'll tell you. These assessments are curated in a manner that your real skill should come out on the field. It's not about copy pasting. You can go ahead and copy paste information from Google, but you also know that you're cheating yourself. A very important thing is that you be original in your work, and that is how you become or you shine on the shoes of growth. And people like Nikhil Menon have taken their success in the similar fashion. They were original with their work. And last, we help you with your one-on-one interview preparations also with the best of institutions internationally and in India, and that helps us to help you move and work with some of the best institutions.